So this is Easy's Adventure again. Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video guys, we are going to do an unboxing. So may na-receive ako na package today. So actually dalawa sila na package na i-unbox natin today. But first, we are going to unbox this package that I received. So actually gift ko to sa self ko guys. Paano ba to i-unbox? So, ganito siya. Wait. I-show ko lang sa inyo, ha. Ganito siya, guys. Kunin natin sa kanyang cartoon. So, ganito siya, guys. Diba? Ganda niya. Wait lang. Lagay ko lang to siya. Actually, red yung kulay niya sa loob. Ayan. Huwag na lang kunin natin. So, ito yung inside niya, guys. See? So, balik compartment siya. Compartment siya. Dalawang compartment dito. Tapos, dito, isa. Tapos, mayroon siyang zipper. Mayroon siyang zipper inside na ilagay nyo yung mga valuable things nyo dyan. So, ganyan siya, guys. O, diba? O, diba? Ang ganda niya. I like this one. It's really simple. Very nice. And you can put the sling bag here. Like this. So what I really love this bag, guys, is a small compartment. So hindi siya malaki na tote bag. So it calls small tote bag. And also, I love a compartment bag, which is I can put a lot of things, not like the small bag. So it's two compartment. And also, I have one in the middle, which is I can put my valuable things inside, like money, wallet, or IDs. And I love the color. So, So, ayan lang guys. We're done for our unboxing today. I hope to see you in my next live. And if you are new to this channel, this is Easy Adventure again. And hope you are going to like my video and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. And hit the notification bell so you will be updated in my next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day all.